Hi, I'm Priya from Lakshmi, and today I'm going to talk about a very popular investment scheme, that is PPF. So let's get started. PPF stands for a Public Provident Fund, and it's a long-term investment scheme that offers fixed percentage of returns combined with income tax benefits. What sets it apart is that people who work in the unorganized sector or people who are not covered under the Employees Provident Fund scheme can invest in PPF to build their retirement corpus. Talking about the eligibility criteria, all you need to do is remember 5 points. Number 1 is any Indian resident individual who is above the age of 18 years can open a PPF account. Number 2, parents or guardians can open an account for their minors. Number 3, NRIs are not allowed to open a PPF account, but if they have an existing account, they can continue the account till maturity. Number 4, opening of joint account is not allowed. Number 5, an individual can open only one account under his or her own name. Talking about the contributions, a minimum of rupees 500 and a maximum of rupees 1.5 lakhs can be deposited in a PPF account in a financial year. Currently, the interest rate that PPF offers is 7.10%, which is compounded annually, and these rates are revised by the government every quarter. As we say that PPF is a long-term investment instrument, it has a minimum tenure of 15 years and which can be further extended in blocks of 5 years. Now comes the very interesting part, that is the tax benefits. Under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, PPF investments are allowed for a tax deduction of up to rupees 1.5 lakhs in a financial year. Also, PPF comes under the triple E status, that is the exempt, exempt and exempt. In other words, the amount that you invest, the interest that you receive and the amount that you receive after maturity, that is the redemption value, all are tax exempted. Surprising, right? Next thing comes is how and where can you open a PPF account. So PPF account can be opened online through your bank's net banking facility as well as offline through any bank or post office, provided you meet the eligibility criteria. All you need to do is submit a few required documents. I listed down for you. So you need to submit a PPF account opening form, ID proof, address proof, PAN card, 2 passport size photographs and your nominee declaration form. Post this, you can make an initial deposit of rupees 500 and start your investment journey in the PPF. Talking about the withdrawal rules, after completing 5 years of your investment in PPF, you are allowed to make partial withdrawals under specific conditions. Also, if you wish to continue the account after maturity of 15 years, you can make a partial withdrawal of up to 60% of the accumulated corpus. That is the amount that you have collected at the end of 15 years. You can make a withdrawal of up to 60% of that. Wondering if PPF is the right instrument for you? So PPF is ideal for individuals who wants to invest for long term, have a low risk appetite, want guaranteed returns on their investments or want to diversify their portfolio. So if you fit under these categories, then PPF may be the instrument for you. There are 2 ways to check your PPF balance. Number 1 is the offline method. You can visit your nearest bank or post office branch and get your passbooks updated. Number 2 is your online method. You can log into your bank's net banking portal and can view all the details of your PPF investments there. Did you know that PPF cannot be attached to any debt or a liability payment? Even a court order cannot make a person liable to pay off their debts using the money in their PPF account. Did you know that? Let me know in the comment section below. Finally, I would like to say that as an investor, it's very important to look at your savings, your future plans and what you wish to do with your money and then choose the right investment instrument for yourself. So that's it from me, guys. If you'd like to know more about PPF or you want me to cover any other financial instrument, drop your suggestions in the comment section below. And to get started on your investment journey, download the Lakshmi app from the App Store and Play Store, and to get more such information and content, subscribe to the Lakshmi channel. Thank you.